Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, in the last video the chicks were in, and this is a week in the life of the new chicks. So I'm going to tell you mortality rate, medications and whatnot, and how far it's going. Okay, so if you're interested, stick around and let's get into the video. This is day 2. We've lost 2 so far. They're starting to grow little wings. Can you tell? Day 2. So this is going to be ongoing for 2 weeks. That's the brooding period in Ghana here. So basically, after medication and everything is given, I walk through, make sure there's no dead ones, because when they die you have to move them right away before they start rotting, and then they'll cause all kinds of other issues. So we do our walk through, make sure everything is okay, clean up as needed, and then at the end of the day I just leave, and then Kenneth continues from there and reports anything. But basically I'm there because we have generators and it uses diesel and petrol. So apart from having to go there daily to check on the status of the birds, I also have to go and supply the petrol and diesel. So that's what I do. Day 2. They are very active. They are eating. As you can see, as they hear me coming, they all run. So that's a good sign. So I'm checking on them. I haven't seen any dead one. Oh. We're gonna hide in the corner. That's where I put it. Oh, I'm sweating. See me in here. This is me in here. It's super hot, but it's just perfect for them. As you can see, I'm just checking on them. Day 2. Your girl is hustling. Can you see the sweat? Yeah, that's from the heater. Okay. Here with my birds. I'm just checking on them. Okay, check it out. See sweat? That's hustling sweat. See it? Yeah. No earring. My hair is a mess, but hey, I have to do what I have to do. 2 weeks I have to be doing this. After 2 weeks, then we don't need a heater and they start growing wings, and then I'll take care of my hair. Right now self-care is out of the equation, okay? So I'm just checking on them. Check them out. Okay, let me get out of here. Oh, so they can. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, so wait, you have to check. Sometimes they die, so when I do that, I'm sure they're all okay. So I checked, everything's okay. I haven't seen any dead one. There was one dead yesterday, and today we saw another dead one, so I'm just checking on them. So I'm dripping sweat, but they are all doing okay. See the drip? See, it's so hot in here, but it's good for them. So I have to suffer so they can have a good temperature. That heat over there, it's even off, right? Because it's automated. So when it gets the temperature that the birds need, it goes off, and then it comes on as it's getting cold in here. So the sweat you're seeing is because even though the heat is off. So imagine when the heat is on, it's super hot in here. So let me go so they'll be free to roam around. Looks like they're very scared. So they're all like bunched up in one corner. See, so let me go so they can be free to roam around as they please. Everything is okay. One last check. Yep. Okay. So thank you so much. This is not easy, guys. This is not easy, but I'm excited. Okay, so I'll keep you posted as time goes on. I'm gonna leave and pick up the kids in about 1 hour, so I'll check on them before I leave, and then I'll give it to the worker to take over, and then I'll come back in the morning so we can get the feed, we can get the drink, all the drinkers. We wash these drinkers every day and put different type of medication. If you see on the table, yeah. So I'll be back here tomorrow morning to take care of that, and that's that. Every day you do the same thing, but the weeks is the hardest, and then after that they have wings, they can generate some heat for themselves. So if you make it through the first 2 weeks, your chances of succeeding is very high. So fingers crossed. Okay, we've worked so hard. I'm sweating. I don't need any more dead chicks. Okay, 2 not bad, but I would prefer none. Okay, so no mortality so far. Well, 2, no more mortality, I meant. So thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Okay, subscribe, share my channel. Anyone that's interested in poultry farming, let me know, okay, in the comment section. Do you have a dream of getting one? How do you plan to get your poultry farm started? Yes, it's very principle intensive, but apparently it's worth it. So I'll keep you posted. You know me, transparency all the way. I'll tell you how much it costs, how much we're going to make, everything. Okay, it's worth a try, but you have to be very focused because it's very principle intensive. So thank you so much. Day 2, end of day 2 shift for me. I'm going home. Everything looks okay. Fingers crossed. So basically this is day 3. I don't always get to take the video and explain because I get busy, sweaty. So this is day 3 and I'm there as usual. Okay. So that's that. I'll be back tomorrow so we can do the last day of the 3-day vitamins. Then we break and then we start another medication. So vaccination. So we took all their water. They're probably thirsty. I'm just here. We're going to give them the vac. So yeah, they're growing. We're preparing for our very first vaccination, Gumbro or Gumbro, however you say it. That was the very first one, and we're doing that. And it's a little vial, and then 1 vial per 10 liter of water. Then we mix, and then we give it to them. But before then, I always have Kenneth take the drinkers out of the room for like a couple of hours. So when I bring in the vaccination, they are so thirsty and they all rush to it to drink. They literally fight over the drinkers. So that's how we give it to them, through their drinks. Now the bakubia. Zila, go. Hey, let me try. Bakubia. Guys, it's not easy being a working mom. Yes, as you heard, my kids are there, and so are the dogs. My kids were off school at the time the birds came in. So during the brooding period, they were off school. So I literally took them every day. Yeah, I got to do what I had to do. So that's what we did. So you can hear them and pardon that, but it is what it is. Working mom, I can't leave the kids at home, so I take them. And plus, it's good for them to see what's going on, the family business. So they might have interest in doing some one day, so give them all the experience they need. Okay, let's go. so they can come in the middle and drink all that. They need to drink all the vaccination, please. They need to drink all the water. After 3.5 hours of not drinking, they're literally fighting over the vaccine. So that's a good sign. Everybody's drinking. So you have to make sure they drink all the vaccine. Then we put regular water in there. Watch them. Everybody's fighting. Everybody wants some. See? Hopefully they'll all get their share. Oh my gosh. They're really fighting. There's 2 sitting here, nobody's drinking. Let me go. Because they're fighting over there. If nobody's drinking, let's move it so they will drink it. Yeah, we have to move it. Put it. No, watch it. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh no. I step on it. Oh no. Oh. Don't die. Don't die. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's dying.
Oh my God. Here, hold the camera. Guys, give it to me.
No, mommy.
Oh my gosh. No, I step on it. Oh.
It's dead.
Oh, no.
It's dead, Mom.
It's dying.
It's dying, not dead. Move from the camera.
I killed one. I feel so bad.
Mommy, can I hold it? Mom, its head won't stand up. I can wake him, I think.
No, stop. Natalia, be careful, please.
Natalia.
Oh my gosh, I stepped on one by mistake and he's dying.
It already died.
No, it wasn't dead. Oh, I killed one.
Can I hold it, Mom?
Go give it to Ken.
No, it's dead.
Make sure. Go stand over there. Yes, guys, that was very heartbreaking. I was moving the drinker and I stepped on one of them, and that's the thing, you have to be very careful. They move as you move, so if you're not careful, you step on them. But that was the first and only time, but I felt so bad. It died right in front of me with my kids there. Yeah, guys, I feel so bad. I was trying to move the water around so they can get water, and I stepped on one of the chicks and it died right in front of me. I feel so bad. It died? But it's dead, right?
Yeah, they just over a tree.
Oh.
They just flew it over the tree.
I feel so bad. See, that's what happened. Don't step on them. Don't touch them, please. No, leave it. Stand right there. He's fine. Let's put a little bit of. Open this one. All the empty ones, just add a little bit of feed to it, so they have enough to eat. Don't drop it. End of day 5 for me. I'm gonna go home soon, so I'm doing a last minute walkthrough to make sure everybody is okay. No. So they're growing beautifully. See the wings? See those tiny little wings? 5 days on. Natalia, look, you guys walk around, and if you see this, you take this out, okay? If you see any in the water, you take it out, okay? Just don't play with it. Just get it out and quickly get out. Cleaning the water before I go. See those little wings? Oh. We lost 1, 2 today. So every day we're losing 1. But Dr. Benson said that's normal. And he said we're doing really good because the first 24 hours people lose between 20 and 30 chicks. And this is day 5 and we lost 5. So 1 a day. So that's pretty good. Good to know. 1 a day. Hopefully they will stop dying. In a perfect world I wouldn't lose any, but I'll take 1 a day over losing 20 to 30 in 24 hours. So I'm walking around to take the sawdust out of the water because sometimes you know how chicks are. So before I'm going home, I'm walking through to get all these little things out so the water can come out for them to drink. And my girls are helping me. My girls are helping me. They are such hard workers. I'm so proud of them. It's hot in here. So the heater is stopping for now and it's gonna come back on when it's off. Look at me. I'm dripping sweat. That's because it's really hot here. So the heater comes on and goes off as needed. So that's why you heard it go off. See? Dripping sweat. Oh my gosh. This ain't easy. Good job, Michelle. I'm so proud of you. You're a good poultry farmer. Are you a poultry farmer? Look at me. Are you a poultry farmer? I like that. I like that you're helping. Remember I told you you're gonna have the first egg?
Mom, I want the second one.
Okay, Michelle's gonna get the first egg. And Natalia will get the second one. Oh deal. They've been working so hard. So yeah. So here we are. Last walkthrough before I leave for the day, and then Kenneth will continue where we left off. So good job. Okay guys, we're done. Let's go out so they'll be free. You know they're scared when we come in here, so try not to put your whole hand in there, okay? Just like your tip, just to get it off like that, okay? We don't want it to be contaminated, okay?
What does that mean?
Contaminated means we don't want it to be like infected with some kind of bacteria, okay? Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, spilling feed. I stepped on the feed. What? Okay. Oh yeah, Michelle, pick them up. Good job. I am so proud. You see, that chick is even looking like, she's such a good worker. See? Good job, Shelly. Okay, let's go, guys. It's okay, let's go. Let me get out. It's dripping hot. And the dogs are barking. We brought Leela and Huddy to the farm. So, okay, let's go, guys. Thank you for helping. My chicks are doing good. Bye-bye, chicks. I'll see you tomorrow.
Mom, I'm sweating.
You were sweating? I know, it's not easy. Let's go. Oh, wow. We're all sweating. Hard-working people.
Yeah.
It's day 6. We're here to check on the chicks. And here they go. See? They're growing so much. If you see any dirt in there, but don't touch it if it's okay. Oh. babies are growing. So far, none has. Natalia, if you see any wood, take it out. If not, leave it alone. Day 6. Water, just clean it. My girls are cleaning the water, making sure there's no wood chippings in it. Good job, Shelly. She's taking out all the wood chippings. She's gonna be a good poultry farmer, right, Michelle? Look at me. Are you gonna take over when I retire? Good job. See the little wings? Yeah. See the little wings? Today's day 6. We might be giving them their vitamin tomorrow. They're sleeping. I get nervous when I see them like that, but they're just sleeping. Natalia, come here. This is where you clean. You see? This one. And just use one finger. And do this. Just one finger and you. Okay. Good job, Natalia. Natalia, you're going to be a good poultry farmer, right? Take it out. Thank you. Yeah, good job.
How do they get it in, Mom?
They like to make mess, so it gets in the water. Okay, we can't take too long. We have to leave so they'll be free to move around, okay? Day 6. No mortality today. So that's good. My babies are helping. See the shell and Natalia. And I'm right here. That's it. We're leaving. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video.